West Virginia has led the nation in overdose death reductions for 2 months in a row, according to data from the Centers on Disease Control. During a news conference this morning in Princeton, West Virginia, Governor Patrick Morrisey touted data showing West Virginia's declining overdose numbers. Provisional data from the CDC shows overdoses declining by over 41% from January 2024 to January 2025, the largest overall reduction in the nation. Morrisey says there's still more work the state can do to fight the drug epidemic and in doing so address other barriers faced by the state.
If we do our job correctly, we're not only making meaningful progress in reducing substance use disorder and reducing the number of deaths, we're actually addressing one of the core economic problems that West Virginia faces, which is a very low workforce participation rate.
Morrisey credits the reduction to a broad array of efforts to curb overdoses and the drug epidemic by the legislature, state agencies, law enforcement, and the West Virginia First Foundation.